Welcome. Today we have a special guest, Mr. Talksley. Today's episode is Cracking the Code, How AI Command Was Born, a conversation on prompt engineering, purpose, and building your digital power. You've created a course called AI Command, which teaches people how to master prompt engineering. For those who are new to the space, what exactly is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is the art and science of communicating with AI in a way that gets powerful, accurate results. It's not just typing random questions into ChatGPT. It's about knowing how to direct the AI with clarity, context, and intention. A good prompt isn't just a question, it's a command. It's how you unlock the real power of AI and make it work for you. Okay, now what inspires you to create AI Command? Well, it started with me using AI in my own businesses. From writing content to automating responses, planning strategies, even creating visual branding. And I noticed something. Most people weren't getting results because they didn't really understand how to talk to the AI. So I started testing, refining, and developing what I call smart prompts. And that's when it hit me. This is a skill that everyone needs to learn. That's how AI Command was born. Now, what exactly do learners get when they take the AI Command course? Let's see, they really get a full system. The course teaches my smart prompt framework, real world examples for industries, and step-by-step lessons on how to integrate AI into daily workflows. I also wrote a companion ebook and paper book, which are available right now on Amazon. You can go get right now. So whether you're a reader or a visual learner, you can absorb this in your style. And when you finish this course, I've also created a certification exam, and this will prove your skills, and you can walk away with credentials. That's great. It sounds like a complete ecosystem. Now, are you working on anything else that will support the learners? Absolutely. Right now, I'm finalizing the AI video course, which is going to take everything from the book course and bring it to life with on-screen walkthroughs, use case demonstrations, and visual breakdowns of prompt techniques. That's coming real soon. And it'll be perfect for people who prefer to watch, pause, and follow along. You know, there's a lot of AI courses available now. Tell everyone what makes AI Command different. Well, most AI courses tell you what AI can do. See, but AI Command shows you how to make it do what you want. I don't just drop tools, I give you a system. It's real prompt engineering, building adaptive strategic prompts that evolve, learn, and deliver exactly what your businesses or brand needs. This is about communicating, commanding AI, not just chatting with it. Nice. Now let me ask, why do you think that prompt engineering is such a critical skill right now? Because this is the new literacy. Just like learning to use a computer gave you an advantage 20 years ago. Like learning how to command AI is the edge today. If you don't know how to prompt, you're leaving time, money, and opportunity on the table. But if you master it, you'll move faster, create smarter, and lead the future. Whether you're in business, content, or tech, or if you're looking to be valuable to a corporation out there. Okay, let me ask you this. What kind of person is AI Command built for? It's for the doers, the entrepreneurs, content creators, educators, anyone trying to move faster and smarter. You don't need a tech background. You just need a desire to learn and the willingness to evolve. AI Command was designed to turn average users into power users. And that's you. Now, what's your long-term vision for AI Command? Well, my long-term goal and vision is to make AI Command a movement, to help people retool, elevate, and compete in this economy today. The ebook, paperbook certification, soon video course, that's just the beginning. There are chapters to a bigger mission, empowering people to use AI intentionally, ethically, and powerfully will build leadership. It will provide people with a safety net to work for some of these corporations, and it'll put you in place to be ahead of the game. So I advise you, start now. AI Command is available, and you can get your copy today. Great. I really appreciate this interview. See you next time.